Hello, my name is Josue. I rent an apartment. Located in the country of Colombia, in the municipality of Villavicencio, in the Esperanza neighborhood. On the right side on the Mainz Church. White marches of 6 square meters where you will find a room, a bathroom, and dining room, and integral kitchen. Inside, inside the room, you will find a double bed, a noted table wide and table and a medium closet. The living room has a table for 6 people and 2 sofas. It also has service including Wi-Fi, TV with and Netflix account, stereo, gas, drinking water, electricity. The rental value is 6,000 Colombian pesos per day, included included bed- breakfast of F to text for 2 people, but those not included lunch of dinner. For an extra volume of 21 Colombian pesos, you can count on a tour guide to know the beautiful of the llano.